Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Often people ask me what Qigong exercises they can do daily to maintain health, gain flexibility and strength. So in this video I've put together 5 of my favorite Qigong exercises that are easy to learn and do and safe to practice for beginners and older adults. So go ahead and get ready and let's begin.
Stand up nice and tall. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your lower back and gently tuck your tailbone in. Soften your knees and make sure your weight is evenly distributed on both feet. Begin by rubbing your hands together to generate heat. Do this for about 30 seconds. Then make your hands into loose fists and keep them that way for the duration of the next exercise. The next movement is a simple hip rotation. Begin slowly rotating your hips clockwise. Keep the pace to a minimum, slowly moving the hips and the muscles underneath. The slow movement of the bones provides a deep tissue massage, help to release and loosen the tension built up in that area. Do this for about 30 seconds. Then pause and go in the opposite direction. When you're finished, come back to center and take a moment to notice how your body feels, especially around the hip area and the lower back. The next exercise is called Lifting the Sky with both hands. It has many variations, but this one is one of my favorites because it provides a really good stretch for the entire body. Take a big inhale through the nose, bend your knees and turn your palms up. Gently press out. Inhale again and then exhale down and relax. Every time you relax your hands by the side, take a moment to observe how your body feels. By becoming aware of the sensation inside, we also become aware of the tensions and learn to let go. Repeat this movement 6 times. Avoid straining too hard, just enough that you can feel the muscle stretching across the back, the neck and the arms. The next movement is good for opening the chest and tonifying the lungs so we can breathe deeper and more effortless. Place both hands in front of the body. Inhale through the nose and open the hands out and wide. Turn the hands so the palms facing upward and look behind your shoulder. Release with exhalation and come back to center. Repeat the same on the other side. Do this 6 times, 3 on each side. When you've finished, relax the hands by the side and notice how your body feels, especially the neck and shoulders. The next exercise is good for the lower back and the kidney health. Before we go ahead and do that, take a moment to gently warm up your lower back simply by rubbing and squeezing the muscles. Then, with the back of your hands, do circle movements for a few seconds. This helps to release the muscle tension and gently warm up the lower back, as well as stimulate and tonify the kidneys. To finish, gently tap up and down the back for a few seconds. Stand up straight and take a nice deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Place both hands on your lower back. Inhale again and gently lean back. Look up. Release. Exhale out and gently bend forward. Your hands will slide down at the back of your legs. Inhale and slowly raise up. This time your hands will slide at the front. Exhale out, finishing at the abdomen. Repeat this 6 times. Do not strain to touch your toes. Feel free to stop at your ankles or your knees. Keep your back nice and straight as you slowly raise up. Every time you inhale, lift and expand the body. Every time you exhale, release and let go of tension. This exercise enhances deep breathing and invigorates the body with energy. It's also good for overall body strength and balance. Keep the lower back nice and relaxed as your hips naturally slide back and your leg muscles tense to support your body weight. When you're finished, relax the hands by the side and take a moment to notice how your body feels. You might feel a pleasant warmth in the back and down the legs. Gently shake off your legs to the side and rub your hands together. To finish this routine, take a nice deep inhale through the nose, then exhale out through the mouth, releasing and relaxing. Stay here for just a moment and notice how your body feels.
Thanks for watching. I hope you feel better. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. I hope you have a good day and I'll see you next time.